Hi viewers, you're welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to learn addition of mixed numbers with numerators that are greater than 1. Before we proceed, if you have not subscribed to this channel, click on the subscription button. So let's get started. We have 3 whole number 2 over 5 plus 2 whole number 3 over 7. First thing you do is to separate your whole numbers, which are 3 and 2, from your fraction, which is 2 over 5 plus 3 over 7. The next thing you do is to add each of it separately. We add the whole numbers. 3 plus 2 is going to give you 5. For the fraction, you're going to use your butterfly method. So let's do it together. Multiply 2 times 7 will give you what? 14. And 5 times 3 will give you 15. You add that together, you have 29. All over, you multiply your denominators. So 5 times 7 will give you 35. So therefore, 3 whole number 2 over 5 plus 2 whole number 3 over 7 is going to give you 5 whole number 29 over 35. So let's solve the next question together. What's the first thing you do? You separate your whole number. Our whole number there is 4 and 1 from our fraction 3 over 4 plus 5 over 6. So 4 plus 1 is going to give you 5. Then you apply butterfly method still. 3 times 6 is going to give you 18. 4 times 5 is going to give you 20. When you add that together, 18 plus 20 is going to give you 38 all over 4 times 6, 24. You divide that to the lowest term. What can divide 38 and 24? We use 2. So 2 goes into 38. You have 19. 2 yay 12. So you have 5 whole number 19 over 12. Now let's divide this still to the lowest term. We have that 12 goes into 19 is going to give you 1 time remainder 7 over 12. You add your whole number to your previous whole number. So it's going to be 5 plus 1 whole number, which is 6 whole number 7 over 12. I hope you learned something. Bye.